Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 7 how to create a repository on GitHub on your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a GitHub account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to GitHub. Before we create a repository, some of you may be wondering, what is a repository? So we can search the meaning. A repository is a central location in which data is stored and managed. For example, the code we store will be stored in a repository. So we can go back to GitHub, go to your profile, and then we can go to repositories, create a new repository. The owner is Computer Science Videos. The repository name for the moment will be Hello World. We need a description. I'll just say this is my first repository. On GitHub. Choose to have it public or private. We'll just say public for the moment. Initialize this repository with a readme yes. Create repository. And the repository has now been created, so we can then upload files, create more files, clone or download, look at the branch master, pull request. All that will be for the future videos. Go back to your profile and now go to repository. We have one repository that was updated 26 seconds ago. Repository on screen. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.